Have you tried Go High Level but felt lost? Here's why and how to fix it. Feeling overwhelmed or disappointed by the results? You're not alone. Most businesses don't fail because of the software. They struggle because they never learned how to sell with it. At Human Brainbox, we help small businesses and sales professionals close more clients, not by learning more features within the software, but by mastering offers and permission-based follow-up. Whether you have an active account or tried Go High Level in the past, we'll show you a better way to make it work. Meet Kelly. She's a real estate agent who signed up for Go High Level and had it sitting unused for over a year. The software felt overwhelming. She didn't know where to start, so she never built a list or asked anyone to opt in. As a result, she wasn't sending offers, and she wasn't closing deals. That changed when she joined our 10 to 30-day challenge. We didn't just teach her how to use Go High Level, we showed her how to sell with it. Kelly learned how to build a calling list of financially qualified prospects already in her sphere of influence. Then she focused on sending simple weekly offers that made her contacts say, "Yes, I want that." Her results didn't come from learning features. They came from finally learning how to sell, consistently, confidently, and without chasing leads. Your turn. In the next 10 to 30 days, you'll get access to our free pipeline management system, one-on-one coaching, and a step-by-step sales framework using Go High Level. There's nothing to lose and clients to gain. In this video, we're going to walk you through 5 practical ways to sell using Go High Level, starting with what you already have, your network. What we teach you to do with Go High Level is, first, build a calling list from your sphere of influence. Second, invite people into your world with a simple opt-in, a monthly newsletter. Third, deliver weekly offers using automated texts and emails. Fourth, create an offer funnel that nurtures trust without sounding salesy. Fifth, improve lead conversion by making your follow-up feel like help, not hype. We simplify the system so you don't just learn the software, you sell with it. Because once Go High Level is set up the right way, it pays for itself, and then some. No more confusion. No more starting from scratch every month. Just a proven process to generate consistent leads, follow up automatically, and close real clients, starting with people already in your network. To get started, visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. One of our marketing success managers will reach out personally to help you begin. If Einstein surfed the web, he'd definitely smash that like, subscribe, and share button.